So for this tutorial I'm gonna be using approximately 6 centimeters of hard sterling silver wire. So here is about 6 centimeters and this one is 22 gauge. Also I'm gonna keep this tutorial nice and short because I'm not feeling very well, but I just wanted to show you this one. And later on I'm gonna also be using memory wire, which is steel wire, and it holds its shape just like the hard sterling silver wire, and the memory wire is also 22 gauge. So I'm gonna take one end of the wire and I'm gonna measure about a centimeter. Then I'm gonna go right in the middle of that 1 centimeter. I'm gonna bend it. And honestly, I think I made it a bit too long. I'm gonna save the sterling silver wire. And then I'm gonna take my flat nose pliers and go about there, just where the end of the wire is. And then I'm gonna go bend. I'm just gonna straighten the wire slightly. I know it's tricky with the hard one. Then I've got these beautiful sterling silver beads. They are about 3 millimeters. And I'm gonna take my flat nose pliers again and bend on the top. And now I'm gonna bend about there, just gently. And I'm also gonna bend it here. Cut this little bit off. And you've got a really easy, dainty earring. This is one I made about 2 years ago. This hook is slightly more upwards. So I decided to do the same on the other one, on the one that I made today. So now finally I have a pair. But yeah, they are really easy and they look pretty, especially when the frosted beads sparkle. They look amazing. You could also use memory wire, which is made out of steel. But if you do that, then you need to be careful when you are cutting it. Maybe use like old pair of wire cutters that you don't use very often, because it will make indents in them. So just to let you know, sterling silver doesn't just come in different sizes and different shapes, it also comes in different conditions: soft, half hard and hard. Now half hard is usually the wire to go for, like in general jewelry making, but for something like this you want to go for the hard one because it holds its shape really well. It's harder to work with, but it does need to kind of bounce back. Same goes for the memory wire. Obviously memory wire will bounce back, it will keep its shape. It's a lot harder to work with than the sterling silver, but it's doable and you can do so many projects with that as well. And it's cheap. You could possibly use stainless steel as well, but it can be annealed, because when it's annealed it gets softer, so it does need to be hard condition. I really hope you enjoyed watching this one. It was just a quick one, I know, but I'm gonna go back to bed because I'm tired now. I love you all and I will see you next time. Bye!